So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu, ticker symbol SHIB, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go to the main page here, go down to the bottom and press on Explore. Then at the top, go to the search bar. As I mentioned, type in ticker symbol SHIB. Once you're here, there's Shiba Inu. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy SHIB or Buy SHIB. Then type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for this example, type in the minimum amount here of 1250 Canadian. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow on the right. Then once you're here, you can check the amount it'll cost, the price, the fee, total, etc. And then you can go to the bottom, press on confirm if you want to proceed with the transaction and go from there. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Shiba Inu coin, ticker symbol SHIB on Kraken. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.